Question, what is the core problem Espresso Network was built to solve? Answer, slow finality, which causes fragmentation across crypto and may hinder institutional adoption. Question, which of the following does Espresso not provide? Answer, smart contract execution. Question, what does it mean that Espresso is designed to be compatible across different systems? Answer, Espresso can work across different roll-up frameworks, virtual machines, proof systems, and settlement layers. Question, how long does Ethereum finality currently take? Answer, 15 minutes or more. Question, which academic institutions are represented by Espresso's founding team? Answer, Yale, New York U, Harvard, and Stanford. Question, what does it mean that Espresso is built for chains that demand customization and sovereignty? Answer, chains can maintain control over their own rules and operations while still inheriting decentralized security. Question, what does Espresso provide to chains that integrate with it? Answer, fast finality and compatibility regardless of how the chain is built. Question, how fast does Espresso's hotshot consensus protocol finalize blocks today? Answer, roughly 3 seconds. Question, which institution CTO called cross-chain collateral management the killer app for institutional blockchain? Answer, the DTCC. Question, what are the two primary uses of the ESP token? Answer, staking to secure proof of stake consensus and paying protocol fees. Thanks for watching.